What if I told you that one small kid from Texas fought off hundreds of German soldiers alone in World War II, like a real action hero? Sounds like a movie story, right? Or maybe just big American tales. How could a thin teen battle tanks and soldiers by himself? Stay with me, because today we look at the true story of Audie Murphy, the most honored US soldier ever, who showed that bravery comes from heart, not size. Audie Leon Murphy was born on June 20th, 1925, in Kingston, Texas. He grew up very poor, the seventh of 12 kids in a farming family. His dad left them young, so Audie hunted rabbits to eat and quit school after 5th grade to work. His mom died in 1941 when he was 16, so he took care of his brothers and sisters. After Pearl Harbor started us in World War II, Audie tried to join Marines and Navy, but they said no. He was too small, 5 feet 5 inches tall and only 112 pounds. He lied about his age and joined the Army at 17 in 1942. Murphy became a star in the Army. In the 3rd Infantry Division, he fought in Sicily, Italy, and France. He was brave many times. In Italy, he ran alone to a machine gun spot and won his first big medal. His famous act was on January 26, 1945, in France. Hurt and alone on a burning tank, he used a big gun for 1 hour to stop German soldiers and tanks. He called bombs on his own spot to live and killed or hurt about 50 enemies. For this, he got the Medal of Honor, the top US Army award, plus all other bravery medals, like 2 Silver Stars and 3 Purple Hearts. By war's end, at age 19, he killed over 240 enemies and became a lieutenant. After war, Murphy had bad PTSD, no sleep, sadness, and pill addiction. He talked openly about soldier mental health, which was rare then. Hollywood found him, and he acted in over 40 movies from 1948 to 1969, mostly cowboy films. His book Movie to Hell and back in 1955 was a big hit. He raised horses, wrote songs, married twice, first to actress Wanda Hendricks, then Pamela Archer with 2 sons, and was in Texas National Guard until 1969. But he had money troubles and a quick anger. Sadly, on May 28, 1971, at age 45, Audie died in a plane crash near Roanoke, Virginia. They buried him with honors at Arlington National Cemetery, and many visit his grave. Audie Murphy was more than a soldier or actor. He showed strength in hard times. From poor kid to hero to star, his life says normal people can do amazing things. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment. Who's your top war hero? Thanks for watching.